Welcome back to another Maybelline Soda Pop look. This one is Orange Pop, and I'm gonna say this is my favorite look from the palette so far. It's so pretty. Once again, it's a look that's gonna make your green eyes pop, and I really like the Rootbeer Pop look I did too. But we are doing our final look on the back today, so we're gonna start by priming our lids. And I also have powder there to catch fallout because there's going to be a ton of fallout. Of course, we're picking up Maybelline's Soda Pop palette, and I'm using or following the directions to the look number 3 on the back of the package. First, we're going to start by picking up ginger ale. We're going to apply that all over our lid up to the brow area. And this is just like laying down a base. And this shade's matte, so I don't mind putting it all over. And I'm just going to get a good wash of that color. So next we're going to go into Sugar High, which is like a shimmery, goldeny, shimmery peach shade. And I'm going to be patting that all over my lid. Now this is another shade that I think honestly would benefit from a secondary base, but we did not use one. Once again show you how the shadows perform on their own. It's a beautiful shade, but yes, like I said, it needs some work, and there's a ton of fallout with this one. Next we're going in with Crushing, which is this matte orange, and I'm going to be building the shade up to minimize some more fallout and just to get the color where I need it to be, or where I personally want it to be. And I am just windshield wipering that in, and then when I go back in to get more color, I will pat that in the crease and stuff. And just keep working that in there and blending as you go, and the look will come together so easily. This is a very simple look. All the looks on the back were. And but that's the awesomeness of it as well. And honestly, I can't believe they didn't use some of the other shades in the palette for some of these looks. So many beautiful shades in the palette that haven't been used yet. And I am reapplying the brow bone highlight, which was ginger ale, and I'm just blending. And I'm going to take Sugar High back on my brush, and I'm going to put setting spray on the brush too. So I am wetting the shadow, and I'm going to bring more pigment out of the shadow. As you can tell here, it's applying much better to the lid, and I just decided to do this because I wanted that shadow more opaque. I wanted more out of it. Wiping away fallout. Next we're picking up Root Beer, and we're going to use this to line our lid. And I like that they wanted you to use the powders to line with. It gives a more natural kind of effect. And I like that it's not so stark and in your face. So that was the end of following the look on the back. So I'm taking Crushing and putting it on my lower lash line. This is what I decided to do to add to the look. I'm putting Root Beer Float on the outer corner there. I'll blend those together. And I am going to go in with Tonic and apply that in my inner corner as a highlight, which was also not on the back. And I just keep blending that in and meshing the colors together. We're going to tightline with Milnai Stay Put eyeliner, and then I'm going to use the Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continuous Almond to do my lower waterline because I want it open. And today we're using a different mascara, the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I love this mascara. So I wanted bigger lashes today, more volume. So that's why we use that. And here's the finished look. It was so easy. The lip we used is a new LaColors Pout Matte Lip Gloss that I found in the shade Naked. Very beautiful nude shade. And I thought it went really well with this look. You could pair this look with many lip colors, but I personally probably would just do the nude. and I'm going to set all that with the LaColors setting spray, and the look is completely done now. So easy, very beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful like always. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like the video if you haven't already, so you miss any other upcoming videos.